couple of days ago, I came up here for a little bit of exercise more than anything. Now I want a bit more flat ground. Might try a run. And I wanted to get some drone shots. Oh, I'm definitely the first one up here this morning, walking through all these cobwebs. I wanted to get some drone shots to kind of set the setting of where I am. Only I didn't have the drone with me. So that's what this is for. I'm coming up again purely to get those shots. If it sounds like I'm out of breath, it's pretty much because I am. Where's the track gone? Here. This was the spot. This is where I came to early in the week. So I get set up. Now again, astute viewers will realise that in the shots from a couple of days ago there was my bag and all that sort of thing on the side. It wasn't there on the original climb. Right, I'm pretty much all set up. Drone's over there. All for these few seconds worth of shots. I hope they were worth it. Forgot to put the thing on record. Exactly where it took off from. So one of the shots you didn't see, either on that little montage or from a couple of days ago, was when I flew the drone directly into a tree. I wanted it to go up, instead I hit the go back button, it flew backwards. Because it was going backwards, it didn't have the proximity warning thing on it. Amazing thing is, it must have a self-invert thing, because as it flipped, within seconds it was back the right way up. Again, I get more and more impressed with the thing, the more I play with it. So to speak, I'm out of the woods. Actually, it's a great way to start a Friday morning. Oh, car, better run. Bye. Probably just going to make my 8 o'clock. It's about 10 to 8 at the minute, and it's about a 10-minute drive where I'm going. So it should be about perfect, really. Also got these few little jobs done with my meeting this morning. Then to the beach. That's where I thrive the most. Just a Friday family outing to the beach. Let's go. They all come down with their surfboards. Like the surfboard family. When are we going to learn to surf? There's sometimes you just want to go to the beach, lay down and relax. But these two just do not allow it. Instead I've got to go bodyboarding in the sunshine, on the beach, on a Friday when everyone else is at work. What a nightmare. The family and everyone have all gone to get ice creams, which leaves me guarding all the stuff on the beach. After this, I'm going to go home. And that's our Friday concluded. Heading back home now. That's probably the end of our big days out. As of next week, we're back to work. Another week left. Charlie's back to school. Claire's back to studying in the weekends. The summer's effectively done, apart from the next 6 weeks.